Hello, and thanks for taking the time to view this short video. I'm here to explain the process for booking appointments at Judique Service Centre, a fully independent, full-service gas station and auto repair facility. As of today, and this video is being made in late November 2024, we are seeking a mechanic or mechanic's apprentice, but we are still taking appointments. Dwayne is handling all manner of jobs required, from diagnostics and repairs to oil changes and tire changes. The way to book an appointment is to call the garage anytime during business hours and leave your information with the attendant. Then within a few days or so, Dwayne will get back to you to book you in. He's doing this as fast as he can, and remember, this is all on top of a full-time job, so please be patient. Duncan does motor vehicle inspections on Wednesday mornings, and Dwayne does the automotive work Tuesday evenings and Saturdays. If you called and left your information and Dwayne has not gotten back to you, please don't hesitate to call again and leave a reminder and ask the attendant to double-check the name and phone number you left are correct. The phone number for the garage is 902-787-2977. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.